Hi, wanna know how to enable or disable RCS chats on your Realme 12x? So, firstly, let's talk about what is a RCS chats. This is type of messages in the SMS application which allows you to text via Wi-Fi or mobile data, so you don't need to spend your mobile phone credit. So, to enable or disable this feature, firstly, we would need to open the SMS application and then click on your avatar in the right upper corner. Here we would need to scroll down and here click Messages Settings. And here as a first thing, we can see the RCS chats. And by clicking on them, here you can see the status of your SIM card and also describe of this feature, which is use Wi-Fi or data for messaging when available. So currently it's enabled, and if you would like to disable it, we would need to click on this green slider. After what you'll see all of the features that you're going to lose by disabling this feature. So we scroll down and here click turn off. After this, the RCS chats will be disabled. You can see that you can send or receive in group RCS chats right now. So if you would like to otherwise enable this feature, we would need to click on this gray slider, and now the RCS chats are enabled. You can see that for a while you was able to find the status verifying, but it automatically switched to connected. But in some cases, you may need to verify your phone number. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.